channel. Today I'm super excited because I am trying out this percolator. So my friend actually owns this percolator and I love how the coffee tastes after it's made with the percolator. This percolator is the smaller size, so this one will brew I think between 2 and 6 cups. And the cool thing about a percolator is that it has like a little metal bar inside and it constantly is piping the coffee, and then it also has a signal to let you know once it's ready. I'm gonna open the box up. I already rinsed all my stuff with water and soap, and the kettle does come with numbers inside, so you can see 2, 4, 6 in here. And then in that hole right there, I'm gonna stick this tube, and this tube basically gets the water and just keeps the coffee circulating. And then this is where the coffee goes, so I'm gonna stick it on top of the tube, and it has a little hole there for the tube. And then I'm gonna connect the kettle to the outlet and then wait for this to turn red. I already put water inside the kettle, and now I'm gonna put the coffee in here. And these filters are like a rectangle square shape. And I got my coffee from the commissary, and I got a hazelnut light roast. So I put 2 cups of water in here, and I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of coffee. I am going to add creamer, and this hazelnut is one of my favorite creamers. I don't know what it is about coffee from a percolator, but it tastes so much better. Like, it tastes lighter, smoother, creamier, softer. Like, I love coffee from a percolator. So if you know anyone that has a birthday coming up, or if you want to get someone a present, this right here is amazing. By the way, guys, I got my percolator on Amazon, so if you just type in Presto percolator, it'll show up, and this is a smaller size. They do have a larger size. I'm not exactly too sure how many cups the other size is, but this one goes up to 6 cups of coffee. Thank you guys so much for watching my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys. I made 2 cups of coffee, and I might just drink both of them right now. Oh, good girl. That's a cake. Oh, here comes your brother. I'm gonna have to give your brother some. Good girl, Mama. That's it. That's all you get, baby. That's all you get. All right. Come down now. That's it, baby.